Pakat mid gate. Okay, mid gate, pulling on mid gate, pulling mid gate. Here, mid gate.
Joy never dies.
Okay, all until sa behind, backline. All until on backline. Okay.
Going good na ako.
Okay.
Healer. Must not
Nice. Okay, A2. Can you push top red tower?
Okay, okay.
Must protect oneself.
Top red tower. Okay, that thing, keep fighting. If you're from A2, if you're from attacking 2, go for top red.
Dito, malapit sa gusto, magpupula ko ah.
Heart like morning dew.
Look at that, center. Look at center.
Ito, yun.
Nice, good pull. One more pull, nice, good. Good pulls. Okay, Cerebis, careful. Nice, good. Ano kaya dyan, A2?
Kaya.
Okay. Tower damage. Oy, head pulling. Sila. Head pull. Kanya ba dyan, Apple?
Hindi.
Okay lang, wag muna ako. Okay, let's go for jungle now. Kill them all, defting. Spread out and kill them. Go out and kill them. Okay, it's great. Respawn na lang, respawn ka on outpost. I'm teaching build na. Kaya muna. Oh my god, sana di ako ma-speedrun, please. Go for jungle.
Tara, pan. Sige. May pula ko dyan, magpupula ko dyan pagka madami.
Ay, may nag 1v1 sa Gus natin. Careful. Go for jungle, Evan. Go for jungle. Dalawa sa Gus na. May nagrarat.
Di ko alam.
Ano yung build nyo? Loko, ito na. Huwag yung record, please.
Antivirus.
What the fuck yun? Oh my god, aray!
Uy.
Wala ko na-combo. Ayun na.
Uy.
Yes, pakbo.
Oh. Verbal.
Kaya to?
Oh!
Ala, sana may nakapag-record.
Fucking bitch!
Ito na yung farm ah.
Clouds never fade.
Ay, may nagsasegue sa natin. Masabi na lang. Dalawa.
Wait lang.
Uy, focus.
Focus, Evan, back to game. Dito.
Sudden dami.
Yes. Go for jungle muna. Take jungle muna, go back to base. Left team, go back to base now. We defend.
Meron.
Back to base. Reflex, do your thing again. Okay, hair pulling na.
Taka lang.
Sila.
Na.
I need to switch big.
Patay sila lang.
Okay lang. We wipe the base muna. Go inside, left team, go inside. Inside muna, they're going.
No hair pull.
Wait.
No hair pull.
We're dead. Go inside, guys, let them ball up.
Hindi ka nakapag-pull, bobo. Ay.
Okay, full up, float up, big pull, mid gate, around mid gate, pulling na. Okay, nice, good. Okay, attacking to, top red. Miniflex, can you retake bottom outpost muna? Miniflex, retake bottom outpost first. Before you go out, retake bottom outpost. Pass. Okay, A3, attacking 3. Retake, top outpost,
Yan na,
top outpost.
dagdag
A3,
naman.
attacking 3 again. Attacking 3, retake top outpost. Retake top outpost.
Ayun na
Pass
sila
na.
madami na. Pumasok sila guys.
Okay, defending team. Go back to this. Left team, nandito sila lahat.
A healer.
Dihina.
Must not
Copy
hesitate.
flip up. 20 seconds for big pull. Flip up. They're dying. May nag-antahil ata. Nice, good. Good antahil. Kill them one by one. Nice one, good shit. Okay, nice. Good damage. Attacking 2. Tower damage. Tower damage. Focus on tower. Attacking 2. Okay, ready, shield.
Ayun na.
Shield. They're going now. Ready. Big pull. Left team. Back muna. Back. Everyone, back up. Okay, pulling on mid gate. Okay, pulling mid gate.
Healer.
Pulling mid gate.
Must not hesitate.
Okay, can you pull? Left team. Can you pull? Pull mid gate, please. Okay, A3. Come back to base. Wait lang, nahihirapan kami dito. Come back to base, A3, we need to help defend. Mini flex, retake muna, bottom outpost, mini flex.
Solo lang ako. May tao dito.
Back muna, Apple, go for bottom outpost.
No, naka-cage di ako makalabas.
Okay.
5 seconds.
Defend first.
Ayan,
Defend first.
2.
Okay, ready?
Hindi ako makalabas. Ayan, okay na.
Yeah, meron na.
Wait, 10 seconds for big pull, 10 seconds. Shield. Spread out, Evan, spread out. Spread out, Evan. Spread out. Okay, top boss. Wait lang. Last pull to.
Okay, stagger eh.
Kukunin na yung bot.
Teka lang.
Top boss. Let's go for top boss. top boss.
Like morning
Death team
dew.
kayo muna
Mid-gate,
dyan.
Today,
mid-gate.
we paint our story.
A3, let's go for top boss. If kaya nyo mag-boom yun, go for it. Mount up, let's go fast. Destroy tower, please, attacking team. May jungle fast, save jungle. Ilan HP agad? Ilan HP?
Hindi pa namin
Ilan HP?
60.
Okay, good. Okay, ready, everyone, ready. Passive flip up if you can, flip up. 40, 30 now.
We flow with kindness.
Kill them 1v1. PvP first, everyone. PvP. Okay, pulling. They got it. Okay lang. Nice. Okay, get out, everyone, get out. Go back to base, everyone. Back to base. It's okay, back to base. Attack team, let's go back to base. Fuck. Back to base, everyone, it's okay. Okay, silip lang ako.
Pulling
May
dito
jungle
ah.
May jungle pa, save jungle.
Pulling sa malapit sa gate.
Don't save jungles, we need those jungle.
Ito na.
Back to base now. Attack team. Ano ka pa nila? Blood Nirvana, shit. Okay. Team, walang defender tayo. Wala tayong defender sa base. Mamamatay tayo.
Madami
Come back to base,
sa
Evan. Come back to base. Need to defend this. Wala, matitake na lang. Come back to base, Evan. Come back to base. Defend. Ready, big pull. Left team, okay. Flip up. Okay, pulling on camp. Pulling clap. On goose. Big pull na. Follow up na. All until.
Cloud never fades.
Okay, nice.
A healer. Must not hesitate.
Go horse. Nasa yung top. Yung goose. Evan goose. On the goose. Okay. Galing goose, okay. 3, Evan 3 on the 3. Defend 3.
Healer must
3.
save all souls.
Dami lang defend.
Sige. Yan. Keep defending.
Walling. Winol ko na yung ano.
Okay, look at 3 driver, Evan. 3 driver. Body block, body block, body block, body block, body block. Everyone body block.
Ayan.
Okay.
Sakto. Ayun na, nagana
Okay,
sila.
ready pull, ready people.
May gumawa, may gumawa.
Okay, never mind.
Gusto ko hindi ako makaskip.
Okay, hipatin na lang.
Five
Attacking to, 5 man dyan, 5 man.
Five man,
Okay,
yes.
attacking to Red
Five
Goose.
man.
Go for Red Goose. Attacking to, go for Red
Ayan,
Goose.
come,
Attacking to.
come.
A2, go for Red Goose now. A2, go for Red Goose.
Dan
Okay,
Patay din
lang.
ako.
pulling. Ready pull. Pulling na on in front of 3.
Sarado. Dan tayo sa baba. Nandito sila niya, oh.
A2, go for Red Goose. A2, go for Red Goose na. Help mini flex pass.
Naatak sila, Chief. Matulak. Where's the hole?
Wait lang,
A2,
hindi ako
go
makalabas
for
ako.
Fast. A3 and A1, we stay on base. We defend. Okay, A3, can you retake top outpost?
Must not
A3,
hesitate.
Attacking 3, retake top outpost. Fast. Retake top outpost now, fast. Go out and retake top
Wala.
outpost. Okay, ready hair pulling. Okay, hair pulling now.
Like morning dew.
Go for damage, so good. Okay, death team, careful. D1, say lang sa...
Good at, gate.
Kasi boss.
Sa gate. Dito sa kayo. Put.
Miniflex, go for Red Goose. Miniflex, go for Red Goose. Ang dami naman kalaban nila. Shit, tamiyan people. Okay, careful, death team on bottom gate, pushing bottom gate, careful. Wait.
Ayan, sa bottom sila.
Ang dami dyan, full defend ata sila, full defend. They're playing full defend. Retake muna outpost, retake outpost. Okay, 15 man ata here, 15 man here on bottom. Okay. Ang dami ako, okay, come back 80. Come back 80.
Meron.
Okay. We defend first, careful.
Pulling ako, ah.
Careful driver.
Okay, taka lang. Hintayin natin pumasok. Taka lang, di pa sila pumapasok lang.
Okay, ready, shield Aaron, shield.
Ayun na, ito na ba?
Shield
Pulling na.
Ready, big pull. Counter pulling na. Okay. Oh shit, na. Okay, yeah, next spin sila. Good spin sila, nice. Yep, A2 is there.
Isa. 10 man, halos 10 man yung defending.
Ito, walling.
We're also losing on defending.
Bababa ko lang sa bayo.
May one left on our team. Okay, pulling, ready pull. Be pull here. Pull in 3,
Ay, patay.
pull in 3.
Ito, wait for... Hantay sa amin.
We lost one.
Saan tayo magre-regroup, Apple?
Ito sa baba.
Sa baba?
Dito sa patay ng Yeah. Dito.
Okay, let's go for attack now. Attack team, let's go for it. Fuck it. Leave it now.
Wait,
Let's go for attack. Everyone on attack now. Let's go for Red Goose now. Attack team, let's go for Red Goose now.
Must save.
Everyone, let's go. Left team, ano dyan. Kaya bala. Okay, let's go. Push now. Let's go for Red Goose na. Wala rin tayong coins. Oh shit. Hindi tayo naka-jungle. Anyway. Everyone on Goose. Red Goose. Everyone Red Goose. Okay. Happy flute up. Look at Goose, everyone. Look at Goose.
Pulling.
Red Goose. Fire pass on Goose.
Yun, nakancel.
Help on Goose. Everyone Goose. Pulling on Goose. Ready? Pulling Goose. Focus on Goose.
Waling.
Focus on the Goose, everyone. Focus on the Goose. Okay. Wala na.
Laban.
Hindi
Ayun na,
hindi
meron na.
Yun.
Patay ako.
Sulit.
Patay ako, pay lang.
Sige, kita din lang. Fast. Destroy it, fast. Okay, city protection.
Joy never dies.
Oh, shit.
Ganda ulit sila.
Sila agad.
Must not hesitate.
Okay.
Ay, wala na.
Okay, Goose again.
Glow with kindness.
Mawawall ko yan, ah.
On the Goose, on the Goose. Okay, pulling in 20 seconds. Di mo na mag-hairpun. We don't have points. split up, split up, split up, split up, split up. Okay. On the goose, Evan, on the goose. Pulling on goose, pulling on goose. Hirap na na.
Naiwal ka.
Keep fighting on the goose, keep fighting on the goose, stick on the goose, stick on the goose, attack him. Stick on the goose, attack him, stick on the goose, attack him. Okay, head pulling, ready, head pull. Head pull on the goose, Put goose on center, center. Mid gate. Near mid gate.
It's beyond price.
Keep fighting Evan, keep fighting okay lang.
Ulit din ako dito sa malapit sa Triwa.
Poppy flute if you can, poppy flute. If you have flute up. We need the flute. Ang daming horse, holy shit.
Ayaw, boss. Kasi may
Use your flute, Evan, use your flute. Flute up.
Roll dyan pa.
Gold na lang to. Keep rolling on the goose. Okay, ready be cool on goose. Keep putting on goose. And the mount, yeah. Yeah, wait lang. I'm silent. Fucking hell. Ang dami ng horse, holy shit.
Kaya,
You high horse.
Okay na, patay na yan.
We're full dead.
No.
Okay, go back to
Nade-depress ako.
blue 3, Evan, blue 3. Let's go blue 3. Evan, defend.
Holy
So you go back to defensive. Sige lang, defend mo na. Na-wipe kami, full wipe. Tayo nang dami namang horse nun, ano yun?
Dami na tayo.
Magpopul na ako dyan, ha. Pulling na ako, ha.
Okay, nakita niyo na. So upgrade your horse, please, and use it.
9% na lang ako.
Same, solos.
Yep.
La.
Layo na server.
Okay, let's go. Keep fighting lang sa blue 3. Okay, mini flex. Try getting your red goose.
Ako na nga yan, di na ako
Nag-jungle. You don't have jungle. Fuck it. Yep, zero tayo jungle. Oh well. Okay, defend mo na blue goose. Then attacking to, let's go for red goose. Attacking to and mini flex. Go for red goose.
Kindness.
Then A3 and A1. We defend blue. Defend blue 3.
Like morning dew.
Yep. Dami syrup ah. Line sword, left team. Line sword. Left team. I need your pumps.
No.
Okay. Good. Defend lang. Almost dead. Hype lang. Go for damage.
Gold yung gold.
Okay, nag-city protect. Yeah, city protect.
Join the die.
Yung malapit, ha. Ito may ticket.
Must protect oneself.
Ito na, sa likod, ha. Sa likod.
They're playing full defensive. Okay,
Kaya sa bubong, ha.
Go back. Left team, def lang eh. Okay pa the river. They're coming now. They're coming to you. Careful. Declamp kayo. Shield. Ready ah?
Kagi, ang kulit ng dalawa. Anak.
%. 3% na lang yata. 3% na lang yung thing. Okay, ready, wait.
Ito, may lumalapit sa ano, ha. May lumalapit sa tree, ha.
Ready, big pull. Death team. May shock ba dyan? Okay, ready? Ready, big pull.
Ingat,
Death team.
nagkabayo.
Okay, pulling on in front. Pulling na. Okay, never mind. Na-cancel nila.
Pulling din.
They're driving na, they're driving. They're driving na, they're driving. Kill the driver, please. Kill the driver.
Ay, nag-sprint.
Okay, dead
Ay,
driver.
namatay yung driver.
They're driving again. Oh my god.
Flowers never fade.
Yeah. Ayaw po.
Endless as a bloom.
Minus.
Nanalo sa ano, half time.
Kabayo talaga, kabayo kailangan.
Nanalo sa
Go.
half time.
Heart like morning dew.
Vibe.
Must save all souls.
Okay na.
Pull up kami. Pull up yung Death Demon.
Di ganda nung ano nila eh.
Yeah, driving.
Yung combo nila sa
Yeah,
kabayo,
okay.
sabay-sabay sila eh.
Okay. Split na. Yes, spinning. Death team, go for Blue Goose. A3, go for Blue Goose. Run. Blue 3, sorry. Blue 3. Defend. Huwag niyo pa-deliver. 1 minute. Don't deliver. Don't deliver. Go. Body block niyo pa. Antay-hilo ka.
Sige nawabot.
Sigol na ako. Spawn na ako.
Ano, may ano sila doon, may
20 seconds.
bilang sila doon. Sabay-sabay sila nagaganon.
40 seconds, let's go in. Big pull on driver. Flute up. Let's go.
Nasa doorstep na.
Everyone on driver. Until driver. No!
Ay, gagi!
Nice
Tumagos!
try.
Tumagos siya eh.
Redemption, ang patunayan.